Welcome to 105 Brown Swiss Ridge in Boerne, a brand new one-story home in Corley Farms, now available for rent. 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, about 2,358 square feet, and nobody has ever lived here. Come on in. Right away, you feel the 12-foot ceiling in this entry. Wood-look tile runs through the main living areas, and the whole home is painted in Sherwin-Williams pure white, so it's bright and ready for any style of furniture. First door off the entry, a dedicated home office behind French doors, about 12 by 11. If you work from home, this is a real room with a door that closes, not a desk in a corner. Across the hall is the 4th bedroom with its own full bath right beside it. This corner of the house works as a private guest suite since it sits away from the other bedrooms. Now, the heart of the house. This island kitchen has built-in seating on the island, a 5-burner gas cooktop, a built-in oven, and a corner walk-in pantry with room for a serious grocery haul. Finishes are light and clean. White cabinets, quartz-style counters, and a stacked tile backsplash. And here's a big one for a rental. The refrigerator, washer, and dryer are all included. So that's 3 appliances you don't have to buy or move. The kitchen opens straight into the dining area, 12 by 10. All one connected space, so whoever is cooking is still part of the conversation. The family room is 20 by 15 with a wood mantel fireplace and a wall of windows across the back. Natural light pours in all day, and the layout gives you plenty of options for furniture. Through the back door, a covered patio about 20 feet wide, overlooking the fenced backyard. There's a sprinkler system, so keeping the yard healthy is straightforward. Shade back here matters in a Texas summer. Back inside, the 2nd and 3rd bedrooms sit on their own hall, each 11 by 12 with walk-in closets, sharing the 2nd full bath with a tub. There's also a mudroom off the garage entry, which is where muddy shoes and backpacks go to keep the rest of the house clean. The utility room is inside the home, not in the garage, and remember, the washer and dryer in here stay with the house. And I saved the best for last. The primary bedroom is 19 by 12, tucked at the back of the house with 3 large windows. Through the French doors, the primary bath has dual vanities, a garden tub, a separate glass-enclosed shower, a linen closet, and not 1, but 2 walk-in closets. No negotiating over closet space. Here's what you need to know. Rent is $2,800 a month, the home is available now, and lease terms run 12 to 24 months. This is a no-pet home. Assistance animals go through our standard screening process. Schedule your showing at sarents.com/properties for rent. This one is brand new, and it will not sit long. Go take a look.